In Excel and Word, you can use field codes in order to automatically insert information into headers and footers. So for example, if you wanted to insert the file name in your header or footer, you can use a field code to automatically insert it so that you do not have to manually type the file name into the header or footer. So here we are in the normal view. We have two sheet tabs. Let's go in and insert our header and footer here. It automatically opens it in page layout view so that you can see your pages. This is the only view where you can go in and see your headers and footers. So you have a page break here. And I'm going to click out of that header and move to the bottom to see the footer. So let's insert a footer. I'm going to insert my name here, so I'm going to manually enter that. I want to enter the file name here. So if I'm clicked inside of the header or footer, I should see this header and footer menu option here. So I'll click there and I have different options for what I can insert into the header or footer. These are using field codes, meaning that the data will automatically fill in once I enter that field code. So there's one for file name. The file path gives you the entire path as far as where you have saved the file. So it might be the C drive in your documents folder and so forth. So let's insert the file name. You can see that it includes @ and file, which is the field code for inserting the file name. If I click outside of that, you can see that it automatically completes that and inserts the file name. I did not have to manually type that file name. Now let's go to the right side and enter the sheet name. It will enter @tab, meaning that it will insert the sheet tab name here. I'll click outside of that and you can see that it inserts the sheet tab name. Now if I go in and enter May as my sheet tab name, you can see that it automatically inserts the new name here. It's the same with the file name. It will automatically change that if you save the file under a different name. Now I will note here, be careful because this is a long file name. So if I had entered the sheet tab name here and the file name here, you can see that there's some overlap. And there are a couple of different ways that you could handle that. You could put the file name here and start it over at the left. But if you think there will still be overlap, I can move this into this area and I can put it above or below my name so that I can also include the sheet tab name here without interfering and overlapping with the long file name. And in order to exit this page layout view, go down here to the normal view. You'll probably need to scroll up so that you can see your data.